Hey people, so I'm looking at this, basically it's GoPro mount for the X-Maxx. So this won't be going on this shell, it'll be going on my blue shell, because my blue shell is the one that I don't really like trashing, whereas this one just gets thrown about. So this just literally mounts. It's a plastic, 3D printed piece of plastic, and it just mounts on here. So I just push it down, and that's on there. So I need to pull it off and stick it in my other case, but you'd need I've forgotten what they're called now. I'll go get it and show you. So what you need is this. It's this little thing. If I get it out. Your GoPro mount. Again, I've got some for my. Well, I've got one with my gimbal, which I'll show you. But yeah, just literally sits on here, screws in. We have a GoPro mount, so tighten it all the way up and sort it out and stuff, but yeah, otherwise, GoPro mount. But yeah, I'm going to give that a go and see how we get on with it. Not with this one, it'll be with my other case. We'll give the X-Maxx a good run in with it and see how we get on. Small gimbal, basically here. I have a new one here, just to replace this one, which is the G6. I can never pronounce the company's name, so I'm not even going to attempt it. But as you can see, G6. There's the gimbal I've got. So anyways, all I use in it is the GoPro, which the gimbal should be adequate for, but it's got a payload weight, so basically the camera's weight of like 300 and something grams, but with the microphone attached to this camera, I'm pretty sure it comes about 400, 450. That's what it feels like, just under half a kilo. That's too much for that gimbal, and I do hear it. And some of my videos, such as the video of my lithium batteries, it gets overloaded, and once that gets overloaded, it becomes a nightmare because you hear it droning in the video. It's not stable anymore, loads of problems, all sorts of issues. Let's cut this open. Dry. And let's cut this open. Oh, so in the packaging, I've got some little shorts in it. Okay. So it looks like tripod feet. Basically, based on there, I'm not sure. Yeah, so as I was saying, don't need this anymore. Yeah, so as I was saying, the legs from the new one are definitely shorter than the old one. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Until I get this camera, gimbal unboxed and set up and everything, I'm not really going to know. So anyways, let's get the packaging out of the way. Need that. Just leave mine set up. It's the G6 Max. So my last one, when I unboxed it from this, had a travel case with it. We'll soon find out. The same envelope with it like my last one had. Instruction manual of how to obviously use it and do whatever else, as well as a warranty card, which we'll look at another stage. But right now, router. Okay. Anyways. Yeah, so this is its own case. Just literally just open that straight up like a book. But I've already got another set of feet. Strangely enough. Curious as to why there's so many two lots. So I've got two. And these feel really cheap. These ones feel really nice. I mean, even versus these ones. They already sit lower. So I would say, whatever I was just given in this white box, they're rubbish. So we're not going to be using them. This is the gimbal, and in terms of quality wise, gimbal to gimbal, no comparison. This feels very cheap compared to this, and I thought this was premium. Wow. Yeah, now this is a proper gimbal. I'll show you turn it off from there. Should we turn it on there without no load, but it's not freaking out. You do that with my other gimbal and it will freak out. And it's buzzing already. That buzz comes straight through the camera and it's horrible. As I say, with this gimbal, it's not a bad gimbal, but it needs you to be the kind of person that goes out there to film stuff that's active and moving around. You know, like if you're the kind of person that runs around filming stuff, that's what this gimbal's for. Just with the camera on itself, with no microphone mounted, you're just running around with that as is. It's fine. When you start sticking microphones and adapters on the camera, you know, this thing, yeah, I can't describe it, but it already looks like this could take a serious amount of camera weight, which is what you need, especially when you messed about with the GoPro. So anyways, the charging cable here, USB-C, and as you can see there, that's USB-C. So again, another nice addition to this gimbal. Just really shocked at how nice it feels. And there's locks on it as well, so you can lock different parts of it, which is also another nice touch. So all of these are locked. Another nice touch. Almost feels a bit self-tapping. Oh, it's just a bit of paint. It's in now. So it may feel quality, but finish, where it doesn't need to be perfect, it's not perfect. But you're never going to notice that. Again, it's going to have its flaws. It's not the most expensive. It's not the most expensive gimbal. That's the lock. Unlock. So they have like a lock position. The position what locks them in. I'm guessing it's probably the same for all of them. Looking at this. Yeah, I can see it. It's just on the inside there. Got like little locks there. I'm guessing if I position that just right. There you go. At least there's no worry about your lock falling out, because if you lock it, that is locked. I'm guessing that's for GoPro. Oh, I know what this is. Wow. All different adapters of all sorts. Got USB-C in there. Loads of different USB-Cs in there. a bit bizarre. Oh, so you've got USB-C to micro. Wait, so we've got USB-C in this little box. USB-C to micro USB. We've got micro USB to USB-C again. Wait, hang on. It's not micro USB. Multi. Type-C to multi. Interesting. We've got Type-C to micro. Type-C to Type-C, which is the one I'm probably going to be using. Type-C to some type of jack. And a DC 2.5mm to USB-C, which is another odd one. So the only one I'm going to be using is going to be this one. I'm going to be using that with my GoPro. That's it. The rest of them, not going to be using. There's something else in this box, which I'm not sure what it is. So we've got one of those GoPro pins you use to screw stuff in, and phone mount, which I might use. So you put your phone in there and that's it. Can't really use my phone right now because obviously I'm recording with it, but okay, very nice. I'll have a look at that at a later stage. But yeah, this is the gimbal I'm going to be using now. So no more G6, just G6 Max. The other thing that I didn't actually show you that I got in this little black box, it was wedged right at the bottom, is this thing. So this thing is a mount for like a stand on a GoPro. So I'm going to be using this with my X-Maxx, and I'll next use it. But yeah, it's basically a mount for a GoPro, just so the camera can sit flat on a surface. And if you would like to know how this thing goes together, I'll show you quick. Now have a good look at it. So you get basically your mount like that, and it looks like there's nothing on it. So you get two bits of surfaces. You get this, and you get this. So I think the light's going to turn off now on my phone, but never mind. So all it basically does is this screws in here, like that, and that would allow you to use your phone, because you would just slide this bit and get it around in here. So you see this bit here? That slides straight in here. You push that button on the side you've got on the bottom of your gimbal, push that in. I have to lock it, I don't understand that. So I have to lock it, and then this slides all the way in. And then when I put that on the unlock position, it's locked. No idea, a bit bizarre. But yeah, that's in. I'll put the lever down, and then slide this out, but to get it out you need to hold the pin. So sorry, it is. Yeah, so in my honest opinion, I got the lock and unlock the wrong way around, but I'm no like photographer, so I couldn't tell you if I'm the one looking at this wrong. But that's, if it's unlocked, it means you've locked your mechanism in place. But obviously for this purpose we're going to be using the GoPro, so I need to unscrew the phone section, and screw in the GoPro section. And we're ready to use the GoPro. It's just like that. And for me, I'm always going to be using the GoPro, so I'll keep the phone attachment, but I'm going to be sticking with the GoPro. And depending on how you use your gimbal, depends on how your gimbal needs to have this set up. So mine needs my GoPro to be set like that, or 180 degrees, makes no difference. I'll give you a bit of a demonstration. Here's my thing, needs to be like that. And they give you a pin to use with your GoPro, which I have now lost somewhere. There it is. Here. But as I say, for me, there you go, that is how mine needs to be set up, just like that. We're good to go. So the camera would sit in there, I'd have my attachments outside to my microphone. Like that. When I turn my mic around, I just pop it out, do it the old school way. Ta-da! There you go, sorted. Yeah, that's our gimbal set up, ready to go. Good to put this thing to practice.